Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll do some of the questions related to the last topic. I hope you guys have practiced all the exercises and the problems and the rules that we have discussed in our last videos. So starting from the first question, we have it is minus 18 multiplied by minus 10 in one bracket, and it is again multiplied by 9. So let's solve it. First, these two numbers which have a negative sign, this will multiply together and will give us 180 as the answer. And then it will multiply it further with 9. So on solving these two, these both have positive charge. So simply it will give us the answer, which is 1620. So coming to the next, which is second question. It is minus 1 multiplied by minus 5, further multiplied by minus 4, and then it is minus 6. So we have to solve, we will first do this 2 multiplication, minus 1 and minus 5, we have 5. And then these two numbers when get multiplied together, we have 24 in a positive symbol. So on solving further these two, we have number 120. We can solve this question as another method also. That is, you can simply do one thing, that is multiply the first two numbers, then the answer will further multiply by the third number and then the fourth number. It's on upon your convenient. Further, next one is the some verification questions regarding all your exercises term. It's a verification. Let's see, it is what? Minus 30 in one bracket multiplied by 13 plus minus 3. You have to prove that this whole relationship is equals to minus 30 multiplied by 13 in one bracket and then plus minus 30 multiplied by minus 3. Now let's solve these one by one. First, solving this side, it will simply give us minus 30 multiplied by, in this two, when these two number will get multiplied, 13 and minus 3 will gives us plus 10, and we have the answer minus 300. So coming to the right hand side, we have minus 30 and 13, it will be simply minus 390 plus these two multiplication will give us plus 90, and on solving these we have minus 300. So that's simple, that LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. So basically what type of property it is simply called the distributive property. Okay, so practice some more questions on this. Let's have some another questions. Coming to the next question, number 4th, which is simply 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Here it is simply written in the distributive manner. We can simply solve these two numbers together and then add by on these product. Okay. So what we will do, 26 multiplied by minus 48 will gives us minus 1, 2, 4, 8. Then having positive charge, these two numbers are negatively charged, so their multiplication will give us the positive number, that is 1728. And on subtraction of these two, just because one have positive and one is your negative integer, so the answer will be, the difference of these two will be 480, and the sign will be the greater number, that is plus sign. So that is the answer of this particular question. After this, some more questions are there. I am writing over here. Here it is minus 41 multiplied by 102. So just check how can we solve this question. Here it is 102. If I am going to multiply these two numbers directly, we have some calculation in a lengthy way. So what we can do, we can simply divide this 102 into two part. It is minus 41 in one bracket multiplied by 100 plus 2. We can write simply 100 plus 2, it is 102. Now apply the distributive method. So minus 41 multiplied by 100 in one bracket plus minus 41 multiplied by 2 in another bracket. Now it's quite easier to solve this. Just have a solution. Minus 41 and 100 will give us minus 4100 plus minus 41 and 2 will give us minus 82. Now solving, both the numbers have negative charge, so we will simply add both the numbers. So on adding we have 4182 and the sign we will use negative sign. So here the easier method to calculate or to solve this question having greater number. By distributive method we can make our calculation easy. Okay students, so in our next class we'll do some more questions. We'll practice to the division methods of integers. Thank you for today.